Hello everyone, this is Pai and today I'll be showing you this makeup tutorial inspired by YEJI's Checkmate teaser makeup look. If you like this makeup look and want to know how to do it, watch this video until the end. Let's start. First of all, I'm going to do the base makeup by applying the foundation all over my face evenly. And next, covering any blemishes and dark circles. I'm going to draw the eyebrows a little bit slanted upwards like this to create a fierce look. Next, I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to start from the nose area to create more dimension onto the center of my face. I apply more shading powder onto the side of my face to make my face look slimmer and smaller because the hairstyle is going to make my face look wider. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm going to apply the pinky salmon color all over my lids and apply a little bit onto the lower lid as well. Next, I'm going to apply a lilybyred color on top of it. Next, I'm going to apply a cool tone dark chocolate color onto my upper lid and drag the color outwards a little bit to create this shape like this. And then I'm going to use small brush to apply the same color onto the lower lid along the lowermost line like this. Next, I'm going to line my waterline with a grayish-brown pen liner to make my eyes look smaller and more defined. Next, I'm going to create the aqueous hole by using a light ivory pencil liner. Next, I'm going to apply dark brown eyeshadow onto the upper lid to deepen the color. Next, I'm going to apply a light base glitter eyeshadow onto the inner part of my upper lid like this. Next, I'm going to create a cat eye by drawing a long wing eyeliner. Now, I'm going to use a matte dusty pink eyeshadow for the blusher. Use a medium-sized brush and apply layer by layer to create a soft gradation blush beneath the eye towards the cheekbones. Now, I'm going to finish off the eye makeup by applying falsies. And applying mascara to the upper and lower lashes. Let's apply a little bit of highlighter. For the lips, I'm going to create a glossy grapefruit color. First, apply the base color to cover the lips. and then apply an orange lip glaze on top of it. Now the makeup is on. This is the finished look. What do you think? If you want to see more K-pop makeup tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!